Hello friends, my name is Aditya and I welcome you to TechMin YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about a keyword which is ranking pretty good in United Kingdom location. Right now you can see my Href tool which I generally use for keyword research, and it's a paid tool. So for your help I am actually going to put the keyword here. So before that I just request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, please like this video, comment below and also share this video with your friends, right? So let's go ahead, and I have selected here Google as a search console because majority of traffic comes from only Google search console, as you are aware. And here you can see the United Kingdom. As I told you that we will be searching the stats for this location for this keyword, and I'm gonna paste this keyword here, and the keyword is food bin. So before I click on search console, please make sure you watch this video till the end and don't skip and don't miss the video, because in this video I'm gonna tell you the stats and analytics and how you can actually rank your blog on Google if you use this keyword, and you can earn really a decent amount from the AdSense if you have the AdSense approved already on your blog. And if you don't have AdSense approved on your blog and you use my keywords, the keywords that I'm suggesting you, or what keywords I've suggested you previously in my previous videos, I'm pretty sure you will get the AdSense approval as well if you write the article on those keywords, because Google also wants you to promote these keywords, as these keywords are also generating high revenue for Google itself, right? So I have pasted the keyword here, food bin. I'm gonna click on search. Once I click on search, you can see the stats. Here you can see the keyword difficulty or competition, that is 0. It's very easy to rank this keyword on Google. You don't need any of the backlinks. If you need to know what exactly is a backlink, how you can create backlinks for free, you can watch one of my video, and if you need more information you can comment below. Let's come to the stats. So here you can see the volume. So this is the traffic volume which is coming itself only from United Kingdom, that is 4,05,000. That is really very good. And here you can see the clicks 316. That means out of 4,05,000 you can expect 3,16,000 clicks. And here you can see the CPC, that is cost per click. That means if you write an article on your website, on WordPress, on blog or anywhere, and you have already AdSense approved, you can expect $2.5 earning per click on the ads running for this particular keyword. That's really good. And here you can see the return rate, that is 6.99. That means people are searching and clicking for this keyword again and again. So that's really very good return rate right now, because I have seen a return rate around 1, 2, 3 and 4, but that is 6.99. So I can assure you, you can write an article on this keyword, and you can see the global volume is 3.0 million, that means 30 lakh. So you can assume you won't be getting only from United Kingdom. I'm talking about the traffic. You will be getting from Spain, Germany, France, Italy, Poland. So the CPC could vary for these countries as well, and it could be higher, right? So that would be a good news for you. And let's come below. You can see the search volume based on the keyword ideas. So I am going to provide, right now you can see few keywords where you don't have good volume. So what I'm doing, I've already researched all the keywords related to this keyword food bin, which you can actually use in your article or your blog, and you can find the list for all of those keywords on my blog. Here, once I have uploaded this video, before that I would just create another blog. Here I will put all the keywords, like you can see as per my previous video I created this Onyx Cloud Serpent, and I have pasted all the keywords here, right? The same way you will be able to find the keywords here in the blog section. You just need to come here and you can just copy all the keywords and use as it is in your blog. So I'm not saying you just need to copy and paste and that's all. You need to write a content, right, with using those keywords, but don't do the keyword stuffing, right? If you want to know what exactly is the keyword stuffing, you can Google, but still if you don't get the right information, you can comment below. I will bring a video for that. You can see the SERP stats and position for this keyword. So Foodbin itself is having a website, you can search more on that. And here you can see the traffic itself, 3,21,000 coming, right? And here you can see the keywords. So from here I have selected few of the best keywords which can help you to rank your article on Google very fast. So you can find those keywords on my website, that is tagmein.in. You can go to the blog section and then you will be able to see an article starting with Footbin. And from there you can just copy the keywords and you start writing an article on those keywords. So here you can see from Twitter as well, Google Play, because they might be having some application. So from other sources, but I cannot see any of the blog, right? I cannot see any of the blogs or from where they are getting the traffic. So you could be the best, you could be the one to generate the traffic, right? So that's really good information for you. And you just need to write an article. Make sure you write a good and lengthy article. Don't copy from anywhere. If you copy, you are going to spoil the SEO for your whole website, not for that particular blog or article, for whole website. So make sure you don't copy any of the content. You write in your own language. If you are not good in English, you just try to write something, but use the keywords, right? So here you can also use this keyword, what is Footbin, and but that's not getting enough volume, so I request you to avoid these keywords. But you can just go to my blog, and that is tagmein.in, and in the blog section, and you can just find the keywords, the list of keywords related to Footbin which are having good volume, like this Footbin SBC 18,000, all these kind of keywords where you are having good volume. So you can use those keywords and frame your own content and write it down, right? So that was all in this video, my friends. If you need any other information related to blogging, keyword research, affiliate marketing, how you can make money online, how you can earn from YouTube, any information related to online earning, you can just comment below. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I will bring another video on that. So that was all. Have a nice day. Bye.